back to Red Ted Art. Today we have another paper fish craft for you. This joins the ranks of our origami fish and our paper fan fish, so hopefully you'll enjoy this paper weaving fish too. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. So you will need 6 strips of paper. I'm actually using scrap paper that I've cut to shape. This is 1 centimetre across and about 15 centimetres long, but it really doesn't matter. It's about experimenting with different sizes. If you've got a cutting machine, do use that. Get them as neatly as possible. A pen for an eye or some stickers like I've got here, scissors and a little bit of glue stick. Now, as mentioned, these are a little bit fiddly. I think they're really cute. That's why I'm doing the video anyway. If you're looking for easier paper fish crafts, do take a look at the paper fan fish I've got. I think that's probably the easiest of all of my paper fish. And there's also an origami fishes that are quite easy that my daughter's been using a lot recently, which she really likes. So do try it out, and if you get frustrated, maybe have a go at one of the other fishes. So you folded all your strips in half. Now you take your contrasting colours and you slip it inside. I'm going to take the next one, and again this time I'm going to slip it the opposite, and the next one, and slip it the opposite. So it goes between the other 2 sheets. Now I'm going to take my next one, and this time this one goes between the 2 pink ones. It goes round the back of both pink ones, back in front, and this time the second half again goes through the middle, only the second one. And then you repeat with the last one. So this time the last one goes over the top like this. You weave both of them round, and then you take one, which is that one, well, push both back to the back actually, probably easier to see it that way, but it's easier if you put one through. There we go, both. So you have your basic shape. Pull them all carefully into place. And then just check that you've got it all nicely aligned. Okay, happy with that? Now the next bit, you take a little bit of glue stick. I'm going to use a stick to help me. I've made a little mistake. Look, this one, do you see? It needs to have one of them go through the blues. So there we go. So you've always got one on the inside, one on the outside. Okay, so I've got the outside one. I need to line them all up again. Take a little bit of glue, put that in place. Put a little bit of glue in place here. Put a little glue in place here. A little here. Flip. Okay, so they're all secured. Put that away now. Now it's just time to finish it off and trim. So the first thing I'm going to do is, see there's 2 flaps, I'm going to cut one. And then I'm going to take the second flap and I'm going to weave it under. Neatly as you can, and I'm going to trim. And then I repeat here. So I'm going to take the top one, trim, take the second flap and weave under. And again, trim. And you have your basic fish. Now you can just trim these and leave them at angles, you know, sort of right angles, but I think it's quite fun to kind of cut them into more fin-like. So I take a point about down here and I just do a straight line down. And the same on this side, so take a point, roughly the same distance, and do a straight line. I think I did the one a bit bigger, so I'm just gonna trim it. And then you repeat for the tail fins. You have your basic fish done. Now you can draw on some eyes with a pen, or I thought it'd be fun to have a go at using some of my stickers, just because I've got them and they're really cute. I know they're huge eyes, but I think they're really, really fun. And that's how quickly and easy it is to do your paper weaving fish. Well, I think they're easy. If you're finding them tricky, like I said before, do check out my other fish crafts. But yeah, do have a go. You know, take your time, be patient, try and cut your fish out as neatly as possible. And yes, if you like this craft, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.